Hi, I'm Jacob, and I'm here to present together with my brother Johannes. We are running a mobile app for African farmers to help them improve their harvest yields with the use of satellite imagery and machine learning. The average production of African farmers is more than 3 times lower than in Europe. Meanwhile, the population in Africa is growing faster than anywhere else. And this is a very serious issue because most countries in Africa are already at a stage where they need to import massive amounts of agricultural products in order to feed the growing population. So what are reasons for this gap? Most African farmers are very poor and don't have access to pesticides and fertilizers. Additionally, they don't know how to apply these effectively and sustainably because of poor farming knowledge. We believe that farming of tomorrow will be service-based. And this is why we make technology-driven farming services accessible to African farmers via an easy-to-use mobile app. It shows on a map where and how much to irrigate and precisely apply pesticides and fertilizers. And like this, we can not only maximize harvest yields, but also make farming services more sustainable by preventing farmers from overusing harmful substances. We extract the necessary information with machine learning models from the public Sentinel-2 imagery data, which provides key information on the state of vegetation with its 3 carbon red edge bands. And our models are trained with both the satellite imagery data and our ground data. Further, we developed an AWS-based services ecosystem, including an API that leverages GDAL for upsampling, atmospheric correction, and applying our models to the Sentinel-2 satellite imagery data.
As a place to start, we chose Tanzania because of our long-term presence there with our third brother and co-founder Lucas and his local team of agricultural experts who are collecting the ground data for our models and are running the local operations. After many test iterations with Tanzanian farmers, we have launched our MVP in January, and we focus on diseased cashew trees in the first place because they are by far the biggest agricultural export product of Tanzania, whereas diseases cause crop losses of up to 70%. As of today, we have grown an early adopter community of 200 farmers who are applying our application on a weekly basis, like James, for example. We offered James and the other smallholder farmers a membership in our community that comes with app-driven pesticide treatment services so that they can double their harvest yields whilst decreasing the usage of pesticides. And we earn money by charging a membership fee upon deduction from harvest yield income. There are around 500,000 cashew nut farmers in Tanzania, and for the growth season this year, we are very confident to sign membership contracts with 1,000 of them and earn $250,000 in revenues for membership fees. But Tanzania is only one African country, cashew is only one crop type, and optimized pesticide treatment is only one service we can offer based on our app. So the market for farming services in Africa is huge, and scaling effects can offer very attractive margins.
Satellite imagery applications are increasingly gaining momentum as remote sensing technology advances with both cheaper satellite launches and better sensors. There are more and more similar solutions on the market, but they mainly target farmers in industrialized countries and mostly have a very poor user experience. With our local presence, we have a unique access to the ground data labels and to understand the extremely different local market conditions. So who's the team behind Mavuno? I'm Jacob. I'm a data scientist with strong experience in remote sensing from working for the Institute of Space Sciences and an agricultural technology startup.
And I'm Johannes. I have a background as a management consultant, a startup founder, and a senior manager in the software industry. And in fact, we are 3 brothers together with Lucas, who is doing agriculture in Tanzania locally since more than 6 years and knows the local challenges by heart. We bring all the relevant expertise to make this venture a success. But what do we need now? So since we collect our membership fees in the end of the harvest season when the farmers obtain their income, we need to pre-finance operations. And to provide 1,000 farmers with our services costs us $200,000. This is why we're now fundraising this amount and why we need you to come on board. Thank you very much.